Hi there, hi everyone, boys and girls, welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, June the 3rd. Two puzzles are left. Yes, I've already solved this 3 stars Sudoku, definitely a 3 stars. And two puzzles are left, the binary puzzle and the tectonic with 4 stars. All right, time for the binary. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. And this puzzle will be 4, 6, 4, 8. What kind of binary puzzle? 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. I've here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 empty boxes. I need another O. Then we have 4 O's. Cannot place the O there because then we have 3 O's. So this should be a 1. I cannot place the O there. Then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So here should be also a 1. Double 1. Here no. There no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Okay. Double 1. Here no. There no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1. Here no. There no. Double 1. Here no. There no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1. Here no. There no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O. Here 1. There 1. Double 1. Here no. There no. Double O. Here 1. There 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Alright. Double O. Here 1. There 1. Double 1. Here no. There no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1. Here no. There no. Let me think. Double 1. Here no. There no. Double O. Here 1. There 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Yeah. I'm thinking. I think we need to compare. And the comparing is the columns. Double one. No. This is almost the same. This one. Yeah, except those empty boxes. So I cannot compare those. So I need to compare this one. Double O, double 1. Double O, double 1. Oh, yeah. Oh. This column and that column. This column and that column. Oh. 1. Oh. Empty box, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. With O here, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes a 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Finish in 4 minutes. Only 1 time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.